One of the problems with having a small shop is that you never have enough space. Even if you have a big shop, you never have enough space. And a lot of that space that's taken up quickly is benchtop space. As you gather tools and supplies, it takes up every bit of flat surface. And you run out of places to work. So when I came across one of our more popular plans on Woodsmith plans, this revolving tool station, it really caught my eye. I thought it would be great for my shop. And that's because it takes up just the corner of a shop, usually an awkward place in the shop anyways. What do you really put in there? Usually just gathers junk. So this revolving tool station fits in the corner, and you can fit 3 or 4 benchtop tools and get them off your normal bench. And it all starts out with a pretty standard corner cabinet, one you might find in your kitchen. It's got a lower carousel Lazy Susan in it. Let's unlock this. So that rolls out, and you can see it holds a lot of just your standard power tools like router, sanders, circular saw, whatnot. So that's great for just storing tools. Lock that back down. And then as we work our way up, it has this revolving carousel on top. And it's all just made out of MDF. It takes just a few sheets. And it's pretty rigid, stays flat. It's great like that. So you roll it. And the whole thing just rolls on these roller bearings that you can order or find at a lot of hardware stores, and then pivots just on a long piece of pipe in the middle. It's about 40 inches diameter, so you can fit 3 or 4 tools. On here I have a spindle sander, and then a grinder and a Tormek sharpener. You could probably fit a compact router table on here if you wanted, or even a benchtop drill press. It's really versatile. So anything that you have on your bench, it's a great place to put that tool. You can see here I've added some drawers under each tool. Pretty simple construction, and they're a great place just to hold accessories and supplies for tool-specific stuff. And then that leaves these wedge pie-shaped cubbies on each side, and they're just a great place to hold, tools and stuff you're working on. So this is a pretty easy project to build. If you're interested in it, the plans are at woodsmithplans.com. I have a series of videos coming out where I'm going to start with building the base cabinet and then the carousels, and I'm going to finish up with these drawers. So I hope you follow along, and I think it's just a great way to scratch out a little bit more space in your shop.
Woodsmithplans.com. Hundreds of professional, high-quality woodworking plans right at your fingertips. Every single plan is presented as an easy-to-download digital package that includes pages of step-by-step instructions, full-color photos, illustrations, and exploded views, retail sources for hardware and supplies, plus a cutting diagram and materials list. Many plans offer handy video overviews and guides. Plus, we're proud to offer our plans in both standard and metric. Everything is here, from gorgeous heirloom furniture projects to handy shop projects and upgrades, clever, cost-effective storage solutions, as well as weekend projects and accessories that are great for gifts. All fully searchable and categorized for easy browsing. Woodsmithplans.com, everything you need for building fine woodworking projects.